to my channel. My name is Erica if you're new here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my new Coach Spring 2024 quilted tabby bag. That's a mouthful to say, but in the previous clip you saw me unbox it, so let me just give you a more in-depth look of the bag. Here she is. Like, this pink color is like the perfect pink color for spring. Scratch that, it's the perfect pink color all around. Like, when I saw that they came out with this color, I just had to get it because, like I said, this is like the perfect pink color. So as you can see, it has the C emblem here in the front on the flap, and when you open it up you have another flap compartment here, and it is magnetic. I don't know if you can tell that it's magnetic here. And so when you open it, again, there's just a flap pocket there. And then the body of the bag is broken down into two sections. There's a divider here, and there is no zipper in that divider. It's just divided into two sections. So you have a section in the front, and then you also have a section in the back. There is no back pocket or anything, but there is that little tab to let you know that it is a genuine Coach bag. When you turn the bag around, it has a pocket in the back here, and there are no feet on the bags. It does come with a little key tag, and I believe you can get these key tags customized if you go into the Coach store. Don't quote me, but I think you can do that. The chain has the pink leather woven into it, kind of like the, you know, the Chanel bags have it. You can wear the bag on your shoulder like so, or you can wear it crossbody, just like this. Wear it crossbody. And when I tell you this leather is like the perfect quilted puffiness, it's to die for. Like, you literally have to see this bag in person and to feel it in person to really understand like how I'm feeling right now. But it's just a perfect bag, and it's made from genuine Napa leather, and it tells you on the little tag here. I don't know if you can see that with the lighting, but it says it there that it's genuine leather. This color, because I'm just going to say bubblegum pink, and it's not bubblegum pink. This color is vivid pink, and this bag retails for $450, and it is the Tabby quilted in the size 20. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the tag. So here is the Coach Spring 2024 Tabby 20 bag in vivid pink. Isn't she lovely? I'm gonna also throw in clips to show you what fits inside the bag, so you can get a feel of, you know, how much you can pack in here. So yeah, stay tuned for those clips. So I want to show you guys what fits inside the Tabby 20. So let's just go ahead and open it up and I will show you. So right now I'm carrying my Cassie bag, so I'm going to put in my wallet that fits in there. I have some gum that will fit in there. I have my medicine that will fit in there. And I have some lip gloss and some cuticle oil that will fit in there. I have this brush that will fit in here. I have a mirror from Chanel that will fit in here. I'm gonna put that behind the gum. And I have a hand sanitizer and that will fit in there. If I do some moving around, that fits in there. Let's see, let's put it like this. That fits in there. I did have a mini lotion, 1 second, and I have some lotion, and let's see if I can maneuver to fit that in here. So yep, that fits in there. And if I wanted to, I can add my keys in this little spot right here, because I just carry my fob, so that will fit there. And the bag closes up nicely. It doesn't seem like it's bulging at all on any sides. So yeah, that what pretty much fits in this bag. I don't know if you guys can see what this says, but it says Brandon Blackwood, and I got 2 bags from their fall 2023 collection. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. So I got an email saying that they had a drop, and I just had to do it. So with every purchase from Brandon Blackwood, you get like a little thank you card that's supposed to be like him signing it and, you know, writing it. So all their bags come in a dust bag, as you can see. We're gonna open it up, and the first one that I have is this red slick one here, and this is like the new line of the trunk bag. It's the slim trunk, and this retails for $185. I'm not gonna take all the paper off. I just want to show you guys. So when you open it, it is a little bit more, I feel like it opens more than like the small ones do. You do get a strap here. Again, I'm not opening it all the way up side. So again, the inside is just one big compartment, but I feel like it opens up more than the regular small trunk, mini trunks do. And it also comes with feet and the feet protectors here. And again, this one is the red slick, I believe that's what it's called. I also got it in another color, and again, it comes in a dust bag. And this one is the wax denim. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. My lighting might be terrible, but I'm sorry for that. But this is the wax denim. So it's denim, but it has like a coating over it. Again, the feet at the bottom, and it's in the gold hardware. You open it up. On the inside, you get your strap here. And I'm going to bring out my mini and my regular size so you can see the comparison. So to compare the slim trunk to like the mini and the regular, this is the regular size trunk. As you can see, it's quite bigger than the slim trunk. And when you hold them up to the sides, you can see here, slim, regular, it's bigger. You're gonna fit more in the regular size than you would the slim. And here is the mini trunk. So again, it's a little bit wide. The slim trunk is wider, but you know, it's slimmer given the name slim trunk. I feel like you can probably fit the same amount in the small as you can in the slim because of the opening of the mini. It doesn't really open wide enough. As you can see, let me move out my strap. It doesn't really open that much, and you can't put a lot in here. So I feel like the slim trunk, you might can fit the same amount that you can fit in the mini. That's my hypothesis. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that plastic off the top, but this is the slim trunk. And again, you have the mini, and then you have the regular. So drop a comment down below and tell me which size do you think you like the most. If you like the regular sized, if you like the slim, or if you like the mini. I think I probably like the slim. I don't know, it just looks, I don't know, I like this size a lot. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.